Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Gemma 4 26B is 4 times faster than Gemma 3 27B on the same GPU. This is Ollama37, a fork of Ollama that run LLM model on Tesla K80 GPUs. In this video, I will walk through the new model in v2.0.3 and then run one live. The big news is two new model families, Gemma 4 and the Qwen 3.5. The question is how they compare to gpt-oss and the Gemma 3, which were already working in early versions. 26B models usually don't fit on a single GPU. You need a lot of VRAM, but with K80 multi-GPU, we can split them across cards and actually run them. There's a throughput benchmark that runs in GitHub Actions on actual K80 hardware. Here are the results. The full memory table is on screen. Smaller models fit on one GPU. 27B models need two, about 10 gig each. That's true for Gemma 4, Qwen 3.5 and Gemma 3. Here is the speed comparison. This is the part that surprised me. Gemma 4 26B generates about 12 tokens per second. Is 4 times faster than Gemma 3 at the same size. Huge generation improvement. The smaller models are about the same speed as before. Qwen 3.5 lands in a similar range, and the gpt-oss is about 15 tokens per second. There are two smaller ones worth mentioning. FunctionGemma. I ported it because I was curious whether something that small could handle tool calling. If you've found a good use case for this model, let me know in the comments. Ministro 3 was actually a user request. Someone opened an issue because the model wouldn't load at all. Turned out the template was missing a function, but fixing that was just the start. When I first loaded, this 3 gig model was eating 13 gig of VRAM. That makes no sense. After tracing it, I found the vision encoder was reserving memory for a 2K by 2K image over 8 gig just for the buffer. On a K80 without flash attention, that's a full GPU wasted on a worst case reservation. I kept it at 500 by 500 for K80s, and the model dropped to about 3.5 gig fit on a single GPU. The other problem was ghost GPU allocations. Some models were spreading across all 4 GPUs even when they only needed one. A 3 gig model on 2 GPU, a 6 gig model touching all 4. Here is Dify chat interface connected to Ollama37 and the Grafana dashboard monitoring the GPU in real time. Right now, the GPU are idle. VRAM is almost empty. Temperature are low. I send a prompt to Gemma 4 26B. Watch the Grafana panel on the left. You should see VRAM spike across 2 GPUs. It's loading the model now. That takes a few seconds. You can see VRAM filling up on GPU 0 and GPU 1. As the Dify using reasoning for the chat, it will load Gemma 4 E4B for the naming of this chat. So you will see the second model load here, and when model unload, you can see the VRAM drop back down. Here is today's demo. Thank you for watching. Next time I will do the tool coding for this model. Thank you.